Hello everyone, our project is titled Sensor-Integrated CNC Hot Wire Foam Cutting System for Precision Foam Fabrication. Our team consists of Matthew Wenzel, our team leader, Leila Palacios, Denise Gaystardo, and our professor, Dr. Arifur Khan. The objective of this project is to design and build a CNC hot wire foam cutting machine capable of accurately cutting foam using G-code. The system integrates motion control and closed-loop heating to ensure consistent performance while maintaining a low-cost and modular design. Next are the system components. The structure uses T-slot aluminum and linear rods, with NEMA-17 motors and DM542 drivers controlling motion through a timing belt. An Arduino Uno interprets G-code and controls the machine. Supporting electronics include buck converters, sensors, MOSFETs, and a 12-volt power supply, along with safety components like limit switches and fuses. The system is controlled through an Arduino-based program. The total cost was approximately $324. Next, we present the block diagram of our system. The process begins with user input, where the geometry is created and converted into G-code using CAM software. This G-code is then transmitted to the Arduino-based control system, which coordinates both motion and thermal control. The system continuously reads temperature data from sensors and adjusts the heater power using a MOSFET to maintain the desired temperature. Once conditions are within range, the machine executes motion commands, allowing the hot wire to cut the foam accurately. Safety features such as limit switches and emergency stop detection are integrated to immediately stop motion and disable the heater if a fault occurs. This closed-loop process ensures precision, consistency, and safe operation throughout the cutting process. This slide shows our initial prototype, including the mechanical structure, heat control system, and motion control system, all tested individually before full integration. Next is a video showing our initial prototype.
It is.
Looking at it again here in broad daylight.
This is our final prototype, integrating structure, motion control, and heat regulation into one system. The Arduino controls movement and temperature, allowing precise and consistent foam cutting at a low cost. Next is a video of the machine fully working. Finally, we conclude our project. We successfully developed a functional CNC hot wire foam cutting system that integrates motion control with sensor feedback. The system is capable of producing controlled and repeatable cuts while maintaining a low-cost and compact design. This makes it a practical solution for educational use and rapid prototyping applications. For future work, improvements can be made in sensor accuracy and noise filtering to enhance performance. Additionally, the system can be expanded to include 3-axis cutting capability, allowing for more complex geometries. Further enhancements may include a more user-friendly interface and wireless monitoring for improved usability and control. We would like to thank the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering Department for their support and resources. We also acknowledge the use of ChatGPT for assistance during this project. Thank you.